What are you doing here?
English? No good. Ah!
Leo? Are you dreaming again?
If your English is bad, airports can be very scary. What should a beginner do?
Learn English through story.
Do airport conversations make you nervous? When the staff speak fast, do you worry about missing something important? If check-in, gates, passports, and bag questions still feel stressful, this story is for you.
This is Slow English. This is easy English listening practice. You'll learn English through story, not through boring explanations.
In this episode, you'll hear real airport English for check-in and security. You'll practice useful lines like asking for help, showing your passport, and checking where to go next.
So don't worry about being perfect. Just listen, follow the scene, and answer in your head with Leo. Ready to see if you can catch the keywords before he does? All right, let's step into the airport and start the story.
We are very late.
It's okay. Ask someone for help.
Excuse me, where is check-in?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go.
Do you have checked bags?
Checked bags?
Luggage to drop off.
Ah, yes. Just this one.
Okay, here is your boarding pass.
What is my gate number?
Your gate is B4.
Thank you so much.
Sir, open your bag, please.
Is there a problem?
You have a large water bottle.
Oh no, I completely forgot.
You can't take this inside.
I am sorry. Throw it away, please.
No problem. You can go now.
I didn't...
Hey, it's okay. Let's go.
Oh no, the gate changed. I have to ask. Excuse me, I need help.
Yes? How can I help you?
My flight is for London.
Flight AC 802?
Yes. Where is the new gate?
The new gate is C12.
Is C12 far from here?
No, it is a 5-minute walk.
Thank you. Gate C12. Follow me.
Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you. I will.
All right, before we move on, let's catch the key airport words that made this story work. These are the little words that help you follow check-in, security, and gate changes without getting lost. Don't worry, this is not about memorizing a long list, just understanding what you'll really hear and use. Let's take them one by one with simple meanings and easy example. Check-in. The place or process where you show your passport and ticket before your flight. How to use it. Where is check-in, please? We are late for check-in. Boarding pass. A paper or phone ticket that lets you get on the plane. How to use it? Here is my boarding pass. Oh no, I dropped my boarding pass. Gate. The place where you wait before you get on the plane. How to use it? What is our gate number? The gate is C12 now. Checked bag. A bag you give to the airline before the flight. How to use it? I have one checked bag. This checked bag is very heavy. Security. The airport area where bags are checked to keep people safe. How to use it? Security found my water bottle. I always feel nervous at security. Passport. An official travel document that shows who you are. How to use it? Here is my passport. Don't forget your passport, Leo. Flight. A trip by plane. How to use it? My flight is to London. Is this the right flight? Gate change. When your flight moves to a different gate. How to use it? There is a gate change. Oh no, not another gate change. Boarding. The time when passengers start getting on the plane. How to use it? Boarding starts in 10 minutes. Good. Boarding is starting now. Carry-on. A small bag you take onto the plane. How to use it? This is my carry-on bag. My carry-on is small but full. This is where you stop just listening and start saying the English out loud. Maybe you can follow the story, but when it's your turn to speak, your mouth still hesitates. That's normal. And that's exactly what this practice is for. You'll hear each line 2 times, first in slow English, then again at normal speed. After that, say it out loud with your own voice.
Don't worry about being perfect right away. Just focus on the words, the rhythm, and the feeling. This will help you react faster, speak more smoothly, and sound more natural in real situations. So stay with the line, listen closely, and then say it clearly. All right, let's start with the first one. Excuse me, where's check-in? Excuse me, where's check-in? Do you have checked bags? Do you have checked bags? Is there a problem? Is there a problem? My flight is for London. My flight is for London.
Where is the new gate? Where is the new gate? Is C12 far from here? Is C12 far from here? It is a 5-minute walk. It is a 5-minute walk.
All right, now let's see how much of the airport story stayed with you. Don't worry, this is not a test, so if you need a second to think, it's totally fine. This part helps you catch key details faster and turn what you heard into your own answer. Just listen to each question, think first, and try to say your answer before I show you. Okay, let's try the first one.
Sir, open your bag, please.
Is there a problem?
You have a large water bottle.
Oh no.
What did Staff 3 find in Leo's bag? A large water bottle. Staff 3 found a large water bottle in Leo's bag.
Excuse me, I need help.
Yes? How can I help you?
My flight is for London.
Flight AC 802?
Yes. Where is the new gate?
The new gate is C12.
Is C12 far from here?
No. It is a 5-minute walk.
Thank you.
Why did Leo need help again? Because the gate changed. Leo needed help again because the gate changed. What is the new gate? C12. The new gate is C12. How far is C12 from there? A 5-minute walk. C12 is a 5-minute walk from there.
Now let's make this feel more like a real conversation. This time, don't just repeat the lines. Listen to one side, then step in with the other.
If you feel slow at first, that's completely okay. You do not need to sound perfect here. Just catch the moment and say the next line. This will help you answer faster and sound more natural. All right, let's jump in and take turns.
Passport and ticket, please.
Do you have checked bags?
Luggage to drop off.
Okay, here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B4.
Sir, open your bag, please. You have a large water bottle. You can't take this inside. No problem. You can go now.
Yes? How can I help you? Flight AC 802? Is C12.
Is C12 far from here?
No. It is a
You practiced real English for check-in, security, and gate changes. If you run this again, the words will feel clearer and your answers will come faster. That is how English starts to feel natural. One more round, one less pause. And if this scene helped you, try another real-life story and keep the rhythm going.
Nice work! You stayed with a real airport situation from start to finish. If this kind of story practice helps you feel less nervous in English, stay with me for more. I make more real-life listening stories like this so you can keep building your English step by step. And if you want a softer, deeper story next, try How One Quiet Hour Changed My Life. That one is great for slow listening, clear English, and feeling the story more deeply. I'll see you in the next one.